Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A8006A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and you have a factory trailer hitch on the back here. Pendoliner bed liner keeps the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.